Welcome to the AtomicHub review. AtomicHub is a blockchain-based marketplace where users can buy, sell, and collect non-fungible tokens, commonly known as NFTs. It supports various digital assets like art, music, and collectibles. AtomicHub operates on the WAX blockchain, offering fast and low-cost transactions. Navigating the website is intuitive, with a sleek user interface designed for both beginners and experienced traders. To start, you can create an account using your email or link your existing crypto wallet. Once signed up, you gain access to the marketplace's extensive NFT collection, where you can explore thousands of different items. You can filter your searches by categories like art, sports, games, and more to easily find the NFTs you're interested in. AtomicHub also features a robust search engine that allows users to find specific items or collections using keywords. You can view detailed listings for each NFT, with information about its rarity, edition, and past sales. For those looking to buy, AtomicHub provides a smooth transaction process, where you can add funds to your account through various methods, including credit cards and crypto transfers. Selling NFTs on AtomicHub is just as simple. Once you've chosen your NFT to sell, set your price, and list it for sale on the platform. AtomicHub also integrates an auction system, allowing sellers to auction their NFTs to the highest bidder. One of AtomicHub's standout features is its emphasis on community. The platform connects creators with buyers, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of artists and collectors. AtomicHub also features regular promotions, events, and collaborations, offering users more ways to engage with the platform. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another unique aspect of AtomicHub is its marketplace for wax packs, where users can purchase random NFT packs containing rare and limited edition items. This adds an element of excitement and surprise to the buying experience. AtomicHub's integration with the WAX blockchain ensures that transactions are fast and cost-effective, making it one of the most user-friendly NFT platforms out there. Whether you are a collector, a creator, or a trader, AtomicHub provides a space for everyone to get involved in the world of NFTs. If you're interested in diving deeper into NFTs, this platform provides all the tools you need to start your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more NFT reviews and tutorials. Leave a like if you found this video helpful.